Hi, I'm Ron Manwiller with Enduring Images. We have been pioneering the use of digital ceramic decal printers for 17 years now. We have a broad spectrum of printers that are available, from very inexpensive iron oxide printers to commercial 4-color devices that are used in businesses all around the country, as well as in many university art programs. The transition in this technology has been quite profound, and so has the transition in your incoming art student. Everybody's digital now. They have art in their computer that they want to use in art class. At the moment, it's very difficult to get that art from the computer onto anything in art. That's what our system does. It prints a decal directly from their art in the computer. And with this decal, they can decorate a wide range of products, from logoed mugs to tile, trivets, customized dinner plates, all kinds of products that they can use their own digitally created art on these products. Now, what makes this especially interesting is that many of these can be sold as fundraisers for the school. You've been fighting the battle of budgets for years and years and years. This is a way of mitigating some of that budget crunch by turning the art program into a program that actually generates funds for the school. The music department holds concerts. The art department can hold gallery shows for this art. You can partner with local businesses. Lots of ways of taking the talent in your art program and using it not only as a teaching aid, but also to generate funds for the school.
I'm a teacher at Pine Bush High School, and this is our ceramic decal printer. At Pine Bush, we've had our ceramic decal printer for 3 years now, and we've used it every single year for our Empty Bowls event. The students in class, they design in either Adobe Illustrator or in Photoshop their different designs. They produce them and then they put them on tiles with a felt backing. And these are little trivets that the students sell. And in some cases, I've had years where students make gifts for their families that they've designed in Photoshop. And it's amazing when they find out that this will last forever. The other crazy thing is, we go on Craigslist and we get donations from school, faculty, and family of tiles all the time. And yeah, it's amazing.
We would love to speak with you about this. Again, we have some very inexpensive, very affordable printers, as well as some very sophisticated printers. Whatever you need, we probably have it, and your art student will love it. Thank you.